Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a time Zen marker. This powerful concept involves dedicating specific, uninterrupted blocks of time to your most important tasks. By creating these Zen markers, you can achieve profound focus, significantly boost your productivity, and reduce stress. It's about intentionally carving out moments for deep work, free from the constant demands of notifications and distractions, allowing you to accomplish more with greater clarity. To set up your time Zen marker, first choose a consistent time each day or week. This could be for 60 minutes, 90 minutes, or even just 30 minutes. Next, eliminate all potential distractions. This means silencing your phone, closing irrelevant browser tabs, and informing others you are unavailable. Finally, prepare your physical workspace to be clean and organized, creating an environment that supports deep, uninterrupted focus for your chosen period. Several techniques can enhance your Zen markers. Consider the Pomodoro technique, working for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break. For very quick tasks, apply the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. After each focus session, take a moment to review what you've accomplished. This reflection reinforces positive habits and helps you track your progress, making your Zen markers even more effective over time. To sustain your time Zen practice, consistency is key. Regularly review how well your markers are working and don't hesitate to adjust your schedule as needed. Celebrate your small victories, like completing a challenging task within a Zen block, to keep your motivation high. Remember to integrate short, restorative breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes, between intense focus periods to prevent burnout and maintain peak mental performance throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.